R. Sucharita, Government Degree College, Khairatabad, Hyderabad, Department of English. A warm welcomes to the students of BA, BSc, BCom second year. In the previous video, we have done The Kite Maker, which is written by Ruskin Bond. We have done pre-reading activity and we have done the glossary. So in this video, we are going to learn about the author and about the story of the Ruskin Bond. So The Kite Maker, it is written by Ruskin Bond, and now we are going to learn about the author. So Ruskin Bond, he is born in the year 1934. He is a renowned Indian author, especially popular for his books for children and young adults. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, and grew up in Jamnagar, Dehradun, New Delhi, and Simla. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, when he was 17, and since then has published more than 100 books, novels, novellas, collections of stories, essays, and so on. The Blue Umbrella, a Hindi film that was awarded the National Film Award for Best Children's Film in 2007, was based on his story of the same name, and the Hindi film Junoon 1978 was based on his story. A Flight of Pigeons. He received 2 awards from the Sahitya Academy, the Annual Academy Award in 1992 for his anthology of stories, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, and the Bal Sahitya Puraskar in 2012 for total contribution to children literature. He was also honored with the Padma Shri 1999 and the Padma Bhushan 2014. He now lives in Landor, Missouri. So now we are going to learn about Ruskin Bond. So Ruskin Bond, he was born in the year 1934, and he is a renowned Indian author. He is a very famous and popular Indian author, and he is especially popular for his books, especially for the books of children. He is a very good author, and also for the young adults. He was born in Himachal Pradesh, that is Kasauli. He was born in this place, and there he grew up, and he also grew up in Jamnagar, Dehradun, New Delhi, and Simla. And so in so many places he grew up. He spent his life. So he wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof. So this first novel, which is called as The Room of the Roof, is very, very important, where you have to write in your introduction The Room on the Roof when he was 17, and since then has published more than 100 books. So he was only 17 years at that time when he wrote his first novel, that is The Room on the Roof. When he was 17 years old, and since then he has published. Then after that he has published 100 books, and novels he has, and then novellas, and he has collections of stories, essays, and so on. The Blue Umbrella, it is a Hindi film which was awarded the National Film Award for Best Children's Film in 2007. So in 2007 there was a film that is called as The Blue Umbrella. It is a Hindi film, and this Hindi film, it was awarded the National Film Award, and this National Film Award, it was for Best Children's Film, that is in the year 2007, and it was based on his story. on Ruskin Bond's story of the same name and the Hindi film Junoon. This was this was in the year, it was in the year 1978 and it was based on his story. The Hindi film Junoon in 1978 was also based on Ruskin Bond's story, that is, A Flight of Pigeons. So he received 2 awards from Sahitya Academy, that is the Annual Academy Award in 1992 for his anthology of stories, Our Trees They Still Grow in Dehra. He has written this anthologies of stories which are called as, the title is Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, and he received the Bal Sahitya Puraskar. This was in the year 2012. So, for this total contribution to children's literature, because it was a total contribution to children's literature, he received this Puraskar, that is Bal Sahitya Puraskar in 2012, and he was also honored with the Padma Shri. In the year 1999, and he also got Padma Shri in 2014. He is such a great person, and now he is living in Lander, Missouri. Okay, so now we are going to learn what is there in this story. That is The Kite Maker, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So, The Kite Maker, it is a moving story about an expert kite maker, Mahmood, and the world he belonged to. Watching his grandson Ali fly kites, Mahmood recollects a time when he was well known throughout the city for his special kites. Through Mahmood's reverie, Bond creates a bygone era when people had the time for leisurely pastimes such as kite flying and the aesthetic sense of patronize crafts such as kite making. In the hustle and bustle of modern materialistic city life, no one cares about either Mahmood or his mastery. Bond uses several symbols: trees, birds, stringed and severed kites, with telling effect to depict the nature of human life. So, this kite maker, it is a moving story, and the most important characters in this story are the grandfather. The grandfather's name is called as Mahmood, and this grandfather, he has 2 sons, and one is in Pakistan and the other one is living nearby his house. Okay, so his name is called his grandson's name is called as Ali. Okay, so his sons names are not mentioned here in the story. So he has a grandson, and his grandson's name is Ali. Okay, so the 2 main important characters in this story are Mahmood and Ali. Mahmood is the grandfather and Ali is the grandson of Mahmood. So, The Kite Maker, it is a moving story about an expert kite maker. So, what does Mahmood do? What is Mahmood? Mahmood is an expert kite maker. He is an expert in making kites. So beautiful kites, and not only beautiful kites, very great kites Mahmood had prepared in his lifetime. So that is why he is called as expert kite maker, and the world he belonged to. Watching his grandson Ali fly kites, Mahmood recollects a time when he was well known throughout the city for his special kites. Now Mahmud, he became very old. Actually, he would make kite makers for the citizens of his country, that is his place especially, and then that is his town. And especially he would not only make kites for the ordinary people, but he also made kites for the special people like the Nawabs. And now he is watching his grandson. His grandson's name is Ali. And what is Ali doing? He is flying kites. When Ali was flying kites, what is Mahmud doing? Mahmud he is recollecting his time, his old times when he was young, how he would make those great kites and sell them, and especially how he would make great kites to the people like the Nawabs in his time. So he was well known throughout the city for his special kites. So everybody, each and everyone, that is the people who are flying kites, they know about Mahmud. So he is a well known person because he was an expert in making kites, especially the special kites. So through Mahmud's reverie, Bond recreates a bygone era when people had the time for leisurely pastimes such as kite flying. So in those days, people had those leisurely pastimes. So they had lot of time, they had lot of leisure. But nowadays we don't find. Man has become a machine, and especially when the internet and the electronic media is introduced, like mobile phones and computers and satellite television sets, with all these, people became very very busy. Now they don't have leisure times like the past times. So they are so busy. So they are so busy in the electronic media, and their time is passed in such a busy way that they don't have time uh, to fly these kites. And most of the people, they are not also having interest in flying these kites, okay, such as kite flying and the aesthetic sense to patronize crafts such as kite making. So kite making is also a craft, okay, like stitching or carpentry or painting, glass painting, pot painting, or there are so many kinds of arts. As the sun has so many rays, so we have so many kinds of art. We have so many kinds of arts in the world. So like that, people in the hustle and bustle of modern materialistic city life. So how they are in a hustle and bustle, they are in such a hurry. In this modern world, people have become materialistic, okay. So they are very much busy in earning lands and buildings, cars, and uh, all kinds of necessities in their home to live a comfortable life. So man is so busy to fulfill his materialistic desires. So people are not giving time to enjoy the leisurely kinds of kite flying. So no one is caring about either Mahmud or his mastery. So Mahmud is a mastery. Mahmud had earned mastery. Okay, he is a master, or he is an expert kite maker, but nobody cares about that art. So Bond uses several symbols. So Ruskin Bond, he is using many symbols like trees, birds, stringed and severed kites. with a telling effect to depict the nature of human life. So, because of his nature of human life, that means he is focusing on the nature of the human life, and very effectively this story is woven. An interesting story is written by Ruskin Bond, that is the kite maker. Okay, so we have done about the author, that is Ruskin Bond, and we have done about the story, what is there and what are the important characters in this story. So in the next lesson we are going to do the that is in the next video we are going to do the story of the kite maker, the prose. So thank you.